This video is about the Nova GetGo series rolling walkers, and that includes the GetGo Petite, the GetGo Junior, and then the GetGo Classic. So go ahead and take your Nova GetGo out of the box, and that'll have the walker and the backrest. And once you get out of the box, you'll find these rubber stoppers. They look like little rubber hats. They're just for protection. Go ahead and remove them, and then you're just going to discard them. All right? Go ahead and insert the handles into the frame, and then give the walker the brakes a squeeze, and that will open up the walker. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to adjust the handles to your desired height. The adjustment knobs are already inserted through here, and that's for safekeeping. So you're going to go ahead and unthread them, and then adjust the handle to your height. What I recommend is adjusting the handle to your wrist. That way, when you have your hand on the hand grip, you have a nice 30-degree bend in your elbow. It's a good starting point. All right, so go ahead and thread the adjustment star knob all the way through to the other end. And you'll feel it tighten up, and make sure it's nice and tight. And you're gonna adjust the other side the exact same way to the exact same height as the other side. All right. All right, now your handles are installed into your height. Now let's put on the backrest. So on your backrest, you'll notice these brass buttons, face them upward. Go ahead and insert the backrest into the holder. Give those brass buttons a push. Push the backrest in, and it'll lock right in place. It's really simple. All right, let's go over the great features of the GetGo. So first we have our handbrakes. These handbrakes are so comfortable and easy to use. They come with a comfort molded hand grip that is very comfortable on your hands. And then the hand grip is so easy to use. You just simply pull up on the lever to control the brakes, which controls your walker and controls your speed. And then to lock the handbrakes, you simply push down on that lever, and it locks the walker in a parked position. And it's in this parked position that you want to use your seat. So go ahead and make sure it's nice and parked, and then you can sit down and relax, and then make sure your brakes stay in this locked parked position the whole time you're seated, and also when you're getting up. And then when you're ready to go, go ahead and release the brakes, and you are ready to go. All right, so it comes with a nice padded comfy seat, and you lift up the seat, and there is a storage compartment, and it keeps your personal belongings safe and out of sight, and there's also a little pocket in there for your cell phone and your keys. All right, folding the GetGo is super easy. Just go ahead and pull up on this lever here, and the GetGo comes with our patented lock and load. This is great because it keeps your walker in a folded, locked position. All you have to do is just insert the lock and load into the hinge. It's essentially a hinge stopper, and then your walker stays in a folded position. You can get it in and out of the car, and then just gently push down on the lock and load, squeeze the brakes, push outward, and that's all you have to do. So the GetGo Petite has a lower seat height for more petite users, and also a narrower frame. The GetGo Junior has the same lower seat height as the Petite, but the frame is going to be 2 inches wider. And then the GetGo Classic has a higher seat height for more standard height users, and then the same width between the handles as the Junior. So you've got 3 size options here and lots of colors. They all come with a user guide with how to use, how to take care of it, and also our customer service information. All right, go ahead and enjoy your GetGo Rolling Walker.